Hello, in this video I'm going to show you what to do when you can't log into Google on the LENOVO K5 Play. Log in when going into Play Store or Gmail. The first step you should do is go into Settings, System, Date and Time, and make sure your time is correct. If the time is not correct, the internet services may not support you. Then, if that still doesn't work, another way you can fix it is by going into Apps and Notifications, App Info, and in here, finding Google Play Services, clicking on Storage, Manage Space, and Clear All Data. Afterwards, logging into Play Store or Gmail should become possible. If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.